Let's subtract 7/18 from 7/15. Again, with subtraction, we have to have the same denominator. So our first step in our procedure for subtracting fractions is to find that common denominator, that common pair of pants they have to wear before we can perform subtraction. So we're going to take the product of the two denominators that are there and divide by the greatest common factor that those two numbers share. The greatest common factor, the greatest number, the largest number that will divide into 15 and 18 is 3. 15 divided by 18 is going to give us 270. 270 divided by 3 will give us 90. And if you can't do those things in your head, that's where a calculator comes in. That's where you want to do the multiplications with your calculator, and then the division. 15 times 18, get that answer, divide by 3 to find your common denominator. So our common denominator here is 90. Now we need to build these fractions up. And we need to do that by finding the correct multiplier to use for the numerator and denominator of each fraction. 15 times what number would make 90? Well, that would be 6. And again, if you don't know that, you would find that by taking 90 and dividing by 15. 90 divided by 15 would give us 6. So 6 also has to be multiplied times the numerator of 7. 6 times 7 gives us 42. What number times 18 gives us 90? Well, take 90 and divide it by 18 to find out if you can't think about it in your head. And that would be 5. So we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Now we have the same denominator and we can subtract. The answer will have that same denominator, and we simply subtract the numerators. 42 minus 35 gives us 7. And the answer to our problem here is 7/90. And then we would want to look to see if we can reduce that answer any. And in this case, we can't. 7, again, is a prime number. The only factors it has are 1 and 7, and dividing each number by 1 wouldn't change our fraction's appearance.